He's like, this is just dangerous. I can't help you.
Get it. Yep, get it over there. Good thinking. Oh, get a hold of it.
Just grab your dog's ear and then grab it.
There's a basket in the
you're
bathroom.
gonna fuss now.
Sorry.
You're gonna fuss
Aspen, you big baby.
now. Here, watch. Oh, fight her. No.
Are you a big baby? Say hey. Ta-da. Ready, Mom? You ready to flip it?
The dog's just looking at it like, when can I? Aw, you just went.
Oh, she just got a kiss.
You tag teamed it. That's not fair. I'll distract her while you get the toy. Teamwork. I like it. Well,
Get out of it.
oh my God, she's like, I'm gonna kick you in the head. Oh, he bowed out.
She was trying to show my friend.
Why does she walk like that?
She's a Great Dane.
I know. I've never seen another Great Dane puppy.
Walks like that
Her
for
back
same.
legs are like blah, 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 like not.
Hi, Aspen.
It's fine now.
Aspen.
Just like right when she got up.
Aspen, hi.
Walks like a lion.
Is that a good chew toy? Now they're fighting over. I'm surprised Zoe's letting her play with her baby.
I don't think
It's
she
like
really
good
is.
for a couple hours.
Where's the other? There they are.
Did you show the girls their video on Facebook?
No, my phone memory is like completely used apparently, so I can't do like anything on my phone.
Hi,
Like
babies.
I can get online, but I can upload pictures. I can't upload
Hi,
videos. It won't play
babies. You're
videos.
looking, you're looking
SD card?
chubby. Aspen. Aspen.
What? How many gigabytes is it?